In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix or resolve if search is not working or you're unable to type into your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop's search menu, start bar, basically having search-related problems. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is right-click on the task bar and select Task Manager. Select Run New Task at the top, and then type in CMD, and then check mark where it says Create this task with administrative privileges, and select OK. And then just type in SFC space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully search functionality has been restored to your Toshiba device. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.